So I went out last night and had a couple of beers. And got in and had a pot noodle.
Yeah, as you do.
And then went to bed. And then thought, now really, if I was to record myself snoring, tonight would be the night.
Yeah.
So did you?
Yes.
Did you?
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, you ready? Who would not want to sleep next to this? That's number one.
Sounds like you're taking a bite out of the bed.
I got to have a bed. But it's honestly, I mean, if that wasn't bad enough, does that?
Whoa, what's that? It's like you're popping a cork. Chris is backfiring. Move away.
You have a big range in your snoring.
I really do.
Thank you very much. I love that. Can we hear the motorbike one again? The high-pitched Vespa.
I don't know where it
That was
is.
one of the second or third one you played, I think.
That one?
No. That was the wildebeest.
Let me find it. Literally 142 different recordings. Not that one.
There you go. I love that one.
Am I wrong?